In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an Amex virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to properly redeem any Amex virtual card that you have and how to use it as a payment method anywhere that credit or debit cards are accepted. After you receive an American Express virtual card, regardless of the means in which you acquired it, you will be able to use it for any purchases that you make, online or in store. The best way to actually use the Amex virtual card, in my opinion, is to attach it to a digital wallet. However, this is optional. As long as you have the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, you will be able to use it on any online store or retailers. All that you have to do is proceed to checkout and include the details about the virtual card. So like I said, the full card number, the expiration date, security code, and any additional required information attributed to that American Express virtual card. The second option that you have, which makes it a little bit more convenient depending on whether or not you use virtual wallets, is to attach it to a digital wallet. So basically, if you open up the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, you will have the usual options to tap the plus sign to add a new credit or debit card. Like I said previously, it is super simple to do. Include the credentials about the American Express virtual card that you would like to redeem and use, and as long as you include the same credentials as if you were making a purchase, the card number, expiration date, security code, it is going to get attached to your digital wallet. Now, anytime you choose to pay using Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can select this card as the payment method. Just make sure that it is properly attached to a digital wallet, and even if you don't want to go through the process of using a digital wallet, the card is still completely usable even without being attached to one. It is simply personal preference how you want to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an American Express virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.